Whew. Oh, what a view. Oh, and the fresh air. It's getting chilly out.
Thank goodness for the fire.
Yeah, the campfire. Oh, hey there.
Hey.
Welcome to the Community Campfire.
This is the place where you get to connect, support, and be supported by us and other eCourse adventurers from around the world who are also on the journey of creating the greatest eCourses they can possibly imagine.
So to help you navigate this new landscape that you've entered into,
So you don't get lost,
we'll take you on a tour of the campfire so you understand the world of possibilities that exist here for you.
let's go.
All right, welcome to the new landscape here at eCourse Adventures. So first off, you need to know you are part of a much greater network than the course you're in right now. You are part of a global community of world-class teachers who are seeking to pioneer the new frontier of online education. So here we are in the eCourse Adventures network, and it looks like a beautiful wall here full of rich content, videos, webinars, posts, content. There's so much good stuff here, and this is the main page for eCourse Adventures. How do you know you're at eCourse Adventures when you're on the network? Just right up here you see the eCourse Adventures logo and the black banner. Now, inside of eCourse Adventures, you can do a lot of really cool stuff. First off, you need to make sure that you get your profile set up. So you just go into the top right corner, go view profile, and you can edit your profile to meet your needs and to tell the world about who it is that you are and what you're here to do. Once you've done that, we've got a bunch of different topics, and these topics will evolve over time. So if you go over to the topics folder, you can check out all the different topics and search for conversations that you're interested in. You can also follow topics so you get a notification anytime a new post is made on that topic. Then, when you go back to the main wall, you can do a lot of different things in the realm of posting. So you can create a quick post, which is basically just a text post. You can add an image or a video if you want, or you can expand that into an article. Now, an article is more like a blog. You can have multiple images, you can have multiple videos, multiple audios in it. So we'll just do a test post just to show you how easy it is. Add your text in. If you want, you can even change the font style, so you can have bolds, you can add quotes, you can do a lot of cool stuff that you can in your normal blogs. Then you can even, by simply going over to the plus sign, you can add in images, videos, audio files, or even insert a link to your website or to a resource that you found. So we encourage you to post articles in here if they're going to help your fellow adventurers. That's what this is all about, is collaboration and knowledge sharing. We've got brilliant people from around the world, and together we can do much, much better things than when we're on our own. Over here in the sidebar, you can also join events. We do weekly workshops and mastermind sessions every month. So if you go to the events wall, you can see what's coming up and who we're interviewing next. You can also find out the members that are closest to you. So you can meet people that are in your area if you want to hook up with an adventure buddy to do accountability partnership with. And you can see who's new and who just joined and all sorts of stuff. So you can check that out. Now, when you go over to eCourses, you can see all the different courses we have. And let's go into the Great eCourse Adventure now. So similar, now you see up here you have the Great eCourse Adventure logo and the banner change. That's how you know you're in a different course. If you want to go back to the main network, you just go back to network right up here in the top corner. Now, any posts that you share in the Great eCourse Adventure community, only Great eCourse Adventure members can see them. However, if you post in the greater network, everybody can see those posts. So the wall works very similar. You can add a topic to your posts, you can add images and video, and if you expand into an article, you can add multiples of each for your articles. In order to get to the course, you just go to your overview page. Once you're in there, you can scroll down and all of the course lessons will be at the very, very bottom, and you can just click through all of those. Now, we really encourage you go through the onboarding videos because they're going to help you get the most out of this course. And if ever you don't like the half screen split here when looking at a video or a lesson or reading an article, you can just click up here on these arrows and it goes to full screen here, and it's that simple. You're right back again. And next time you come back, right up here will be where you left off in the course, so you can just continue on your journey up to Launch Summit. Now, you're going to have to set up your adventure journal, and in another video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. As you can see, there's so much you can do here at the eCourse Adventures community, and we encourage you to explore, get lost, and when you do get lost, ask for help. We're here to support you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you around the campfire.